在外国的垃圾桶里都能找到什么？接下来我们跟着拾荒者麦克的脚步去寻找宝藏。
People actually run around, drive around, pick up these vacuums. That's a lot of vacuums. But yeah, people actually pick these up, fix them up, resell them, reuse them, maid cleaning services and things like that. So, holy crap, that's a lot of vacuums. Never seen so many on the curb. Woo! Looks like a basketball goal. Ooh, there's a garage door opener too. Actually, there's something across the street here. Take that. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah. All right, grab this big guy. It's got the aluminum rail, which is really good. Very long. Very, very long. No problem though. I brought some tools today. We'll get these puppies taken apart. Got a parking lot around the corner. We can disassemble Johnny 5. Actually, let's go the heavier end in first. Ugh. All right, like that. No disassemble, Johnny 5. No disassemble. Right. Clean aluminum coming off of this bad boy. Keep the scrap in the truck. Yeah. Zebra cake. Nom nom nom. There's a pile. Oh, my brakes. I just got some new pads and they are just coming alive. Wah! Oh yeah, we got light stuff, guys. Oh, grab the old crusty lights. Old crusty lights. These exterior lights, cast aluminum. If we're lucky, that's brass. I see green. Maybe. Maybe baby, maybe baby. Should we take the old snowman? Sure. Take the old snowman here. There's some more light stuff here. Crusty snowman here. Yep, that's all scrappable. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I was just picking some scraps. They're just watching me dig through their stuff. Oh. Let me clean it up for them here. Thank y'all. Like, look at this guy. Look at this guy. There goes a big old grill. Let's grab it. Back up on it. Boy, this thing is just all kinds of falling apart, huh? We're gonna flip it up in there. We're just gonna do it like that. Nothing graceful about that at all. Yeah, that's real graceful. Alright, so there's a little box over here with some scraps that I'm gonna grab real quick. Scraps and scraps. Little bike pup. Little bitty scraps here. Alright. Of course there's nothing in the mat box. Duh. Alright. Look, there's something underneath the bean bag. It's like she's pointing. She's pointing to the scrap. Little mermaid. Little mermaid. Oh yeah. Scrappity-doo-dah. Cool. There's a big old pile over here. All that looks like a bunch of just crappy old furniture. Oh, there's some stuff in here. We got some stuff up in here. Gotta clear it out. Oh. Ooh, look at those. Those are aluminum, whatever those are. That's definitely okay by me. A bunch of pizza boxes. Like somebody had a little restaurant. This looks maybe stainless. It sure is. Not that so much. The top is. What else have we got up in here? There's some more paper bags. Look at these pizza trays. Oh, those are all pizza trays. Oh. It's all aluminum and stainless there. What else do we got back here? Some shelves. That's a plastic dispenser there. Look at that. We got like dumpster type stuff in here. Some shelves. Grab these shelves. Oh my gosh, there's more of them. Look at all these. Look at all of these. That's all aluminum. Look at that. And then there's a whole stack of them right here. There's some plastic baskets. Yeah, somebody had a restaurant. Somebody had a pizza parlor. It's a pizza. Oh. Pizza Italiano. There's the deep dish. The Chicago style. What are y'all, thin crust, traditional, or Chicago deep doughy dish? Little aluminum breakage here. It looked like, I thought I seen something under here. Yeah. Right over here. The big old cutting board. There's some interesting stuff in here. I think that's probably about it. Kind of pick up a little bit. Somebody could definitely use those little baskets. Okay. There's a hand sanitizer dealio there. Little cups there. This is, there's a big breaker. Take the big breaker, Germex. Metal sticks over here. There's it's for your fruits and your vegetables and your drinks. All right, dude, now that's a good stop right there. That's a really good curbside stop right there. Ooh. Oh. Ah, my brakes. I see a lamp. Look at all those crayons, man. Some kids gonna love having those. They're gonna love the crayons. And the owls. There goes a dryer on the curb. Let's collect it. Shouldn't be no thing. Dryers aren't too bad. Not too bad at all. On a side like such. A little lift on that side. Slide her in. Give it a little spinny spin. A little 20-twin. Go. Hey, some RCA cables. So I passed this tote up. It looked like a Christmas light tote. Oh, no, it's just plastic. There goes a water heater. Ah! I'll break for a water heater. It says trash, baby. That's not trash. That's scrap. Ain't no trash. Ain't no trash. Ain't no trash, dog. All right. Gonna put you in my little cubby. If you let go of my shirt. Why? Why? You can go right here. Mr. Ceiling Fan. Mr. Ceiling Fan. There's the new one. Very modern and such. Oh my gosh. They're just coming right off, huh? Coming right off. Some are coming off. Gonna have to take these with us because they've got the blades on them. Let's stick these in here. Oh, look. Little piece of cast aluminum. Pow, pow, pow. There goes a pile of some stuff. Right. Portable AC. Portable AC unit here. Hey, how you doing? Just picking up some scraps here. All right, thank you. kind of chairs? Oh, yeah, sure. I can take 2. Yeah, I can take these. Do you want me to put these down by the curb for you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'll carry that down there. All right. Thank you so much.
Sure.
There's some bench ends right here. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, yeah. Good stuff all around. Nice and heavy. Stick this cat right up in here. Scrap. Nope, and nope. Some old furniture though. Nope. Seen this new open top here. Take a quick peek. I see dirt. I see a lot of dirt. What is that crap? A lot of dirt, but there's a couple metal poles up in here. Those aren't even metal. Really? I'll ride a double stove for free on the curb. Back up on it. Oh, badonk-a-donk. Badonkity-donk-donk-donk. Man, these are a little on the heavy side sometimes. Take advantage of that curb. And then that low tailgate on that Ford. Oh, it says top oven not working. That's okay. It's all right. I don't discriminate. Working or not, you're coming with me. And that's just how it's gotta be. It's just how it's gotta be. Almost. Not quite. Something cube-like, refrigerator cube-like. Yeah. Refrigerator cubic. Oh. Stick it right there. Give me a strappity, another strappity doodah. Think I see a light. I sure do. Ah! Show do tennis shoe. So do tennis shoe. Watch this. You want to see a trick? I'll make the glass disappear. Look at that. The glass just vanished. What do we have here? I see a ceiling fan, a couple of them. Let's see. What is this contraption? Look at that. It's a compact portable washer. Have you ever seen a washing machine? You ever seen a washing machine so small? I guess that's why it's compact. Compact? Right in there. This glass. I see some metal patio stuff. Take that stuff. I most certainly will. All right. Right there. Hey, check it out, y'all. It's like a chair. Just a lonesome little stool. Just a lonesome stool. You stick these. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Yep, there's something, a little burn thingy. Grab it. Little pit. Oh, it's not too heavy. I'll just put another strap. Gun-toting, hip gangsta wannabe. All right, patio furniture. Yeah, there's a sign on it. Let's see what it says. It say, reserved for only the coolest of people. Have 6 more chairs and a table. Please inquire. Oh man, I don't have. I'll let somebody else have that. I don't have the room for 6. Hey, what's going on? I just saw you got 6 more chairs and a table, but I don't have room for all of it.
I just set those out, really setting a little bit out.
Yeah, I got just a little bit of room back here, and I was like, oh, those will fit. And then I was like, oh, there's more in the back, so there'll definitely be somebody else coming along, though. Yeah. All right, thank you. Master. All right, washing machine to top it off. Back up on it. I'm gonna back up on this thing, dog. We're gonna stick it right up on here. Right up on here. All right, here we go. Here we go, Maytag. Maytagging it up. All right, cut the hose and the cord off so it don't get in our way. We got a little weight here. Like to put it in heavy side first. All right. Let the weight do the work, baby. Man, getting stuffed. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna head on home. We happen to see a couple more things. We'll try. We can try. There's a pool pole right here. We know those are aluminum. Aluminum pool pole. The pool pole. Bend her up there a little bit. Right here. Set that right there. Right. Another ceiling fan. All right. Ooh, well, alrighty, scavengers. Whoa, I'm gonna fall out of the back of the truck. We're gonna go ahead and call it right there. I'd say we got us a stuffer.